Now that we have selected a CMO, let's define, plan and manage the technical transfer of our program. We definitely need to prepare the package of the knowledge we have on the program. At that stage of the program, we are the sponsor and we know the most on the product. Obviously, this will be changing over time, but that's the status at the very beginning of the process. So we need to put together all the analytical methods, the manufacturing procedures, any method validation that we have already completed, specification, and any other report that we have in hands. Second step will be to define all the planning and the programs as per the scope of work and to make sure that we are fully aligned, that we don't miss anything. Finally, we need to build a team made of the right SMEs, analytical, pharmaceutical, regulatory, QA, etc. And finally, we need to decide what are our working procedures, how many times we're going to meet every week, every 2 weeks, what kind of agenda and meetings we are expecting to receive, what kind of communication we want to build. This is essential for the program. The next step of the technical transfer is the on-site face-to-face meeting where we will have the opportunity to hand over all the knowledge we have accumulated and we can deeply discuss face-to-face with the different SMEs. The next step will be the process and analytical familiarization of the CDMOs with the methods that we have shared with him. We can prepare some experimental trials and based on the different formulation or the different batches that we will be manufacturing, we can assess whether the methods are correct or they need some improvement. The next step will be, once we are confirmed that the methods are correct, we can go and validate those methods. The recommendation will not be to co-validate the methods between the previous site and the new site, but to run a full validation of the methods that have been transferred as is, or the method that have been fully developed at the new CDMOs. Once that is completed, we can engage into the manufacturing of the first GMP materials. We recommend highly that we come on site at the different stages of the transfer to the CDMO to make sure that we are fully engaged and fully participating to this process. Our technical transfer will be considered as successful once we have manufactured successfully a pilot batch, an engineering batch, a scale-out batch in compliance with the release specification. But we believe that's not enough. Assuming that we have already accumulated some previous data, especially regarding stability of the product, we consider that the technical transfer at the CDMO will be fully successful if we can compare the previous historical data with the new stability data that we can accumulate, whether it's 1 month, 2 months, or 3 months, on accelerated condition and long-term conditions. That's what we believe and that's what we recommend. Thank you for your attention and have a good day.